This one might be a little tougher for him to get out. He's inside the t-shirt. He's running out of energy. Wait, you find the neck. He'll get out. Let's see. I think he's gonna find this one a little tougher. Yeah, he's a little tougher. He couldn't figure that one out. No, he's scared.
You're getting tired, right?
Socialist, smells like a socialite. That's later.
I was just at the BSA.
I think that one's more like a trap for him.
That's nice, right?
He can't figure that one out.
Yeah, not good, man. What's the chores around here these days?
What are those pigs doing out there?
I know that's why Wolverhampton was here.
He came out the sleeve.
Yay!
Fighting with the neighbours over pigs.
I think you're tired.
Also provide a medical
I think
service
we were about
for those in shock and grief.
Too much activity, right? Yeah.
War and morphine. It's like brother and sister. Ask me, Dad.
That's morphine stolen from the Queen Elizabeth Hospital. I should report you.
To who? Eh? To who? Arthur's dead. Holly's dead. Jeremiah's dead. And me, Dad. Well, my dad. He's lost his fucking mind. So it's just you. And you're full of empty threats.
You've got the look. Jim. Your dad. Please watch out.
I feel like he is, right?
What else?
When your way of life leads to your death, when your coffin burns, there'll be no one standing in the smoke. It'll just be smoke. What you've not got, Duke, is family.
Never did. Never fucking did. I'll tell you what I've got. Something much bigger than anything my fucking dad ever did. And it's only doing it. Good morning, Kelly. The snow passes. You don't get warm. What? An election? If there is, you know you have my vote.
Charlie, this morning Duke stole weapons from a government armoury, and the Chief Constable of Birmingham Police gave him written permission to do it. Tomorrow I'm going to the military police barracks on Montague Street.
Oh, wait.
And witnesses to the robbery laying flowers.